Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 630, course schedule 3. I've already finished the course schedule 1, 2, and 4, but those courses are using topological sort. Yeah, so normally for me, I'm gonna use topological sort plus BFS to solve the problem. But for this question, it is even harder. Yeah, so the description is easier to understand. We are just giving a number of courses, but inside it has a duration with the deadline. What we need to return is the maximum number of courses we can choose. Yeah. So let me give you some examples. So basically for this kind of a question, there's a duration or last day we're gonna use a greedy. Yeah, to solve the problem, but the greedy is hard to do. Basically, normally you cannot prove it so easily. You have the problem solving skills, or you can use intuition, but that is still difficult to do. Let's try to do some examples why we can solve it using greedy. So if we have a course of 2-5, this means we're gonna use 2 days to finish this course, and the deadline is day 5. And this course, we have the duration of the course, we need 6 days to finish, but the deadline is 10. So normally, how should we finish the course? Yeah, so according to the duration or according to the deadline. Normally, when we are doing assignments for the courses, we always do it according to the deadline. Actually, it's also the same. So for example, if we can sort it according to the deadline, so this is the deadline, 5 and 10. If we can sort it according to this, so we can use the 2 days to finish the first course, then we're gonna use the 6 days. Yeah, because in total it is 8 days. It is less than 10. It means we can finish the 2 courses. Yeah. So if we didn't sort it, for example, if this 10, the deadline of 10, we're gonna finish this course first, and then we're gonna finish the deadline of 5. So what's gonna happen? First, yeah, we can finish this course. We will take 6 days, and up to here, we need to use another 2 days to finish the second course. So it will go to day 8. So day 8 is more than 5. It means we cannot finish this course. Yeah, so this means actually by sorting the deadline is much better to finish the course. So this is one example. Yeah. So the second example is even if you can finish the courses, so what if the duration is more than the deadline? Yeah. So if there are several courses, the duration is more than the deadline. So which one you need to take it out? So normally for here, I'm gonna use a priority queue. Yeah, technically it is a max heap. Yeah, if I use max heap, for example, I can put the courses inside my max heap. For example, 6 and 7. I take 6 days to finish this course because the deadline is 7, and then I will take 1 day to finish the second course. So up to now, I've already used the 7 days. It goes to day 7. Day 7 is less than day 8. It means I can finish the second course. Can I finish the third course? So if 7 plus 3, it is a 10. 10 is more than 9. It means I cannot finish this course. Yeah. So when it comes across, if I count the situation that I can't finish a course, what should I do? So which course I should pop out from the priority queue or from the max heap? The smallest duration or the max duration or a random course. So for example, if I have 3 courses, it didn't work. It means up to here I can only finish 2 courses. So what if I pop out the smallest duration, for example, this duration 1? Yeah, let's check. So up to here, 6 7, I can finish this course. And up to here, this is 3 and 9. I cannot even finish this course. It means I can only finish one course if I pop out this one. Yeah, if I pop out to the 1.8, it means I cannot finish even this course. I mean, this is if there are other courses similar like this, I cannot finish it. Yeah. So what if I pop out with this one? Yeah. So 6 plus 1 plus 3. Yeah. If I pop out this one, I can even not finish it. So what if I pop out the last one, 3 and 9? Yeah. Can I finish this one? Yes, I can. And can I finish 1.8? Yes, I can, because 6 plus 1, 7, less than 8. Yeah. But for my time, 6 plus 1, I've already used 7 days. It means for other courses, I have less time to finish if there are other courses. Yeah. If I pop out to the longest time, for example, this is 6, I still have a course of 1.8, and I can still finish a course of 4.9. For example, this duration is just 4. Yeah, I forget why I use 4, but yeah, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is less than 9. It means I can finish those 2 courses. I just used 5 days. Yeah. So for the pop out of the priority queue, normally we're gonna pop out the longest time, because if we pop it out, it means we still have more time to finish other courses. So for example, we can finish if there is another course that is 3 and 9 still, and with 4 and yeah, with 4 and 9. So let's just check. So if I pop out this one, so I have 1.8. Day 1 I finish this course. Day 4 I finish the second course because 4 is less than 9. And day 8 I finish the third course. So it means if there are more courses, I can still finish it because I used less time to finish the 2 courses. Yeah. So this means if we can only finish the 2 courses, which course we need to remove, which course we need not to choose. Yeah, we should always delete the longest time. Yeah, otherwise if we delete the shortest time, for example here, now we can finish the first course, we can finish the second course. Yeah, because 9 is less than and equal to 9. But can we finish the last course? We cannot, because 9 plus 4 is 13, already more than 9. Yeah, so this is why if we are going to pop out one course, we should always pop out the longest duration. Yeah. Now let me code it up. Actually, the code is much easier, but it's really hard to analyze, and it's really hard to think about this greedy way of solving the problem. Yeah. Now let me prepare a max heap and also a max time. So this max heap means I'm going to use a heap to solve the problem. Normally I'm going to pop out the longest time. Yeah. So for analyzing these 2 examples. And for the max time, it is just for me to check the dead time. If the max time is more than the dead time, it means I cannot finish. If the max time is less than or equal to the dead time, it means I can finish this course. Yeah. So I will prepare an empty array, and max time gonna be 0. Now I'm going to sort the courses. So I am gonna use the in-place sort. Here I'm gonna use a lambda function. So k should equal to lambda, and x should with x1. So this means I'm gonna sort according to the deadline. Now I'm going to use the max heap. I'm going to look through the courses. So for duration and add time in courses. So for here, for this duration, normally for the first course, I can put it with my result. So my max time can plus this duration. Then I can put the duration into my max heap. So I can use a heap push with a max time, with a max heap, and inside I'm gonna give a negative value because in Python there's no min heap. So if we want to use a max heap, this data structure, we have to give a minus value. So it should be minus duration. Now I'm going to check when I need to pop out from the max heap. So if my max time is more than the add time, it means I cannot finish this course. So with course, I need to pop out. So basically, I need to pop out the longest durations. Yeah. So the max time, I should also update my max time because my max time already plus the duration. But with duration, I need to minimize need to minus. So it should be the maximum of time. So it should be heap pop of the max heap. Yeah. But this value is a minus value because when we put inside the max heap, it is always a minus value, and this is a minus value. We need to turn it into a positive value. Yeah, here is a minus, here is another minus. So basically, it turned to plus. Yeah. So this basically means the max time minus the maximum of the duration. Yeah. But our final result is just check the length of the max heap, because what we put inside the max heap is always the courses meet the condition we can finish. Yeah, because if we can't, so this means always we can finish, because if we can't, we're gonna pop it out. Yeah, from here. Now let me run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. But before submit, let me analyze the time complexity a little bit. So the course.length is 10 to the power of 4. Normally the time complexity for here, it is n log n. N is the length of the course. Now let's check here. This is just a for loop. So this is on. And up to here, we use the heap.push. This is just O1. And this if condition is just O1. So here is On, here is n log n. So the final time complexity is On log n. This is why it is so fast. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will prepare more